Hi, this is Sumant, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to get maximum ROI from your test automation efforts. The best way to start this exercise would be to start by asking a few questions. Let's figure out if you are spending way too much time and effort in our automation, and if you ever considered an easier way to cut down on it. So let's start by asking if you already have a test automation framework. And if you don't, do you know what it takes to build one? Do you know how long it will take? Do you know what it takes to build one? Do you have in-house expertise? And if you already have a test automation framework, how effective is it? And does it give you everything you want? You have to ask similar questions about your test automation scripts. Do you know what it takes to build one test case on an average? Do you even know how many test cases you will require for your application? Will you need 10, 100, thousands? And do you know how frequently does your application change? Because you will have to maintain the test case library. So you have to establish a benchmark before you start evaluating any tool. This would be on cost and time as well. So let's say, as an example scenario, if you end up spending on an average 2 hours on every test case and you have over 150 test cases that you have to build and maintain, your application requires you to test it against multiple browsers and environments, and you have at least one software release a month. You would be able to come up with a total cost and how much time it takes to run this kind of a scenario on an ongoing basis. Now, this is what you can use to evaluate it against any other new tool and see if you can be more productive. This is where we propose you try CloudQA. One neat thing about CloudQA is that you can create test scripts without writing any code. You can record your test scripts easily. CloudQA uses record and playback paradigm, but it does not mean it is brittle like some of the other record and playback tools. CloudQA scripts are reusable and extendable. With CloudQA, you can be very productive. You can start churning out hundreds of test cases in a matter of very short time. You can use them easily, you can manage them easily, and you don't have to go through a re-recording process if your code changes. CloudQA is guaranteed to accelerate your automation productivity by at least 3 times. And that is just a start. CloudQA provides the easiest way to build and maintain your test automation for every release. CloudQA offers a lot more. It maintains each test asset independently. Simpler library of test assets allows you to use them release after release, increasing test coverage at a very fast pace. All test assets and results are logically categorized along with every minute detail. CloudQA's test automation framework allows you to make smarter decisions. CloudQA alerts you on the possible impact of any changes to the application and help you reduce many hours of test automation maintenance. The out-of-the-box reporting system gives you high-level dashboards for detailed analysis. You get reports at a granular level as well. CloudQA captures screenshots for every automation run. Reports are easy to analyze and they help you collaborate with your development team. So how does CloudQA compare against other tools? We believe that you get the most value at the lowest possible cost with it. CloudQA provides you with the shortest possible setup time, the lowest cost per test case, highest productivity, and maximum automation coverage. Try out CloudQA today. Schedule your CloudQA demo It's time to maximize your investment on test automation. Increase your productivity, improve your test coverage, speed up your time to market.